When people talk about AI, they usually mention ChatGPT or other popular models. But let me tell you, Amazon's AI is in a league of its own, and here is why it is scary. Amazon isn't building AI for fun experiments. They're integrating AI into supply chains, logistics, pricing, and recommendations at a massive scale. Every purchase, every click, every interaction is part of a system designed to optimize profit, efficiency, and customer retention. The scary part isn't that AI exists, it's how Amazon uses it strategically across every part of their business. That's a lesson for leaders. The power of AI lies not in isolated tools, but in systemic company wide integration. If you want to compete in today's AI driven market, think like Amazon. How can AI optimize everything from operations to customer experience?